Hey y'all, the real Jimmy Roberts 1 here. So we recently uploaded a short video that featured a few images of the UFOs that we've seen near our home. We've now put together this long form video where we release more of these incredible images. Now these are bizarre flying machines and they're not drones, folks. We've seen hundreds of objects traverse the skies at night spanning a few years. Often flying in unusual patterns. They appeared as flying lights. But at times the lights would actually turn off at some point. Well, sometimes they'd be above the clouds, sometimes below, sometimes in and out. But never have we heard any sound coming from them. You'd think at night, you'd hear some type of rotor noise if they're prop-driven drones, right? So anyway, during August of 2021, I decided to try and get some shots of these things with a decent camera. Fortunately, it only took a few nights of sitting around outside in the dark past my bedtime for them to appear. And over the course of several minutes, I managed to capture these flying objects. And then after I blew the images up, I did not expect this. I've got no need to try and fool anyone, nor any desire. And I do realize how crazy this appears. They're obviously not the traditional saucer-shaped UFOs. Okay, so in this image, there's actually three. Now notice the shape of this first one. Then over here, an elongated craft. But then up here we find one shaped like the first one in this image. And as we back out, you can see all three of them. Okay, this is a sequential image. Just seconds later this one was taken, and you can see two of them in this. There's the elongated one. I call it a craft. I don't know what it is. This is also sequential, about 2 seconds later. And both objects are in this that we saw in the last one. There's the elongated one, obviously. This was the next shot. And then another one that came over. These are several sequential images of that one as it passed by. This is another image with two different objects in it. That one appears similar to some of the first ones that we saw, just oriented differently. And I included this one because something's going on, but you just can't really quite make it out. I want to invite everyone to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of really cool things here that you won't see anywhere else. So we'll see everybody again really soon.